Hey, good morning and welcome back to Mount Pleasant Farm. It's been a couple weeks due to some work travel, but today we're going to get some stuff done around here. Mostly a firewood day. We're going to be splitting some wood we've already got cut and also going to be bringing in some more wood. So follow along and let's have a good work day. Okay, so the first order of business is to get this county line log splitter over to the spot where we're splitting wood. Quick note about this log splitter. This thing has been incredible. You know, it says fast, 11.5-second cycle time, and that is the truth. This is the fastest log splitter I've ever seen. I've seen a lot of log splitting videos of people working their stuff, but this county line log splitter from Tractor Supply, this 25-ton, it's been absolutely awesome. It is a vertical log splitter. It is a horizontal log splitter. The engine runs great, and I've not had a single problem with it. So if you're looking for a great log splitter, not a bad price at all. I think it was right around $1,000 at Tractor Supply. This is what you want, this county line log splitter, 25-ton from Tractor Supply. So let's go ahead and get this over to the spot. All right, we got the splitter over here and where we split most of our wood. So our wood racks are out here. That's the back porch of the house there. So got a wood rack here. You see the first section there is about half full. But anyway, these 3 racks hold 1.5 cords of wood. We got a bunch split there already that needs to be stacked today. We got some here that I cut up yesterday. It needs to be split. And we've got a pile over there of pretty large pieces of maple that need to be split as well. And I've got more that's coming. So that's going to be part of the video today as well. I've got a couple more trees I need to cut up out in the woods and bring in here. So anyway, splitter's in place. I'll get this thing, this tractor out of here and get this thing set up. My wife likes to split the wood, so I'll let her go for that while I'm cutting some trees and some other things. So the first wood we're going to try to get here, I got my tractor backed up here in the back side of the cornfield, is this hunk of cherry that broke down here. It snapped to the top right there, and I'm probably just going to take a strap to the end of it right here and just try to pull it off of that break. And I may cut the rest of that branch at the bottom as well, just let it all come out of there and pull all that back to the house to cut up and split. So we'll see how this works here. All right, so you can see that worked out pretty well. And then the rest of that, we're going to go ahead and cut off the rest of that tree, and we'll pull it all out together. Okay, that was pretty quick and easy. Now we'll get those 2 pieces of wood all strapped up behind the tractor and drag them back to the house so we can get those cut and split later. Okay, well that's that. We'll get this dragged back to the house and we'll move on to our next victim, which is that big trunk that laid down in the woods on the other side of the swamp. That may or may not be good wood. A couple cuts will tell me if it's solid enough to keep or just cut open the trail again. Turned out to be a nice little pile of wood. That'll be split here soon. This is my next target here back in the woods. I got this large tree that has fallen, and it's about 20 inches in diameter. I think it may be rotten though. It did break off from the stump. The stump looks okay back there. The end of the tree looks like it might be a little bit soft, so I'm going to cut a foot or two off it and see if that wood gets any better shape down there at the bottom. If it doesn't, then I guess I'll just go ahead and cut this section out because this is my access up there, so it's got that blocked. But anyway, we'll get down there and at the end and we'll do a couple cuts and see if that wood seems to be getting any better shape to see if it's worth salvaging. Here's what she looks like after I got six rounds at 18 inches cut off of that big log. It's nice and solid all the way through. I took those rounds, it's probably 200 pounds each, and pushed them all up this hill. You see I got 3 left up there. I just loaded 3 into our utility trailer for the lawn tractor because I don't have a bigger trailer right now, and the wife just took those up to the house. I'm going to call it a day because it is hot. We are going to cut up some more wood up by the house, so at splitting length, so you may catch some of that. But for right now, I'm taking the big tractor back up to the house and putting stuff away. And it's time for a cold beer for a few minutes and to regroup. Back over here by our wood pile, got these 3 big rounds in the trailer. I just put another older round of some silver maple up there in the splitter. And this stuff over here, I got it from the base, so it's not really cut to fireplace length, so I'm going to have to slash most of it in half. So that's what I'll be doing here for about the next hour or so. Okay, I'm an absolute mess. Just got done cutting up some more wood, and it's time for a little cold beer and sit down on the porch for a minute. I am soaked from head to toe, sawdust all over me. Even my chainsaw chaps are wet with sweat. So it's time to take a break. Carly's going to keep the wood splitter going, and I'm going to drink a beer. There is a shout out to my favorite beer. This is what I've always been drinking, Yuengling Light, my favorite. If you haven't tried it, try it. If you're in the region, you'll love it. Okay, so as you saw, that county line 25-ton log splitter from Tractor Supply is no joke. It is fast, and if you get in a groove with a partner, you can split wood like you wouldn't believe, just cooking over and over. You saw me pretty much decimate those 3 big, those rounds were 24 inches in diameter and 18 inches thick, and you saw I decimated those 3 rounds in, what, 5 minutes or less? Just awesome. Awesome log splitter. Okay, I'm going to call it a day. I'm definitely tuckered out. It's in the 90s here today, and I've been working out in the woods with, jeans and chainsaw chaps on and just heavy lifting and everything else. So I'm calling it a day. I'm going to get a shower. We're going to go out to eat. So anyway, I appreciate you watching. Hope you like watching all the firewood gathering stuff and the tractors and the wood splitter. Wood splitter, highly recommended. That county line wood splitter from Tractor Supply is no joke. And I will tell you, I can't imagine a better one. So definitely if you're looking for a log splitter that is fast and powerful, that's what I'd recommend. Not just because I have one, but because I've seen others that just aren't that great. So anyway, if you like what you see here, please like, please subscribe, share with your friends who have like-minded interests as you and myself. And I hope you all have a great day, and please keep tuning in. We try to keep a video up every week. It was 2 weeks last time because I was on the road with work. So anyway, Thanks again for watching, and you all have a great day.